Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be checking out the Xtool D5S. And as we all know, I absolutely love the D7S, and you can see I've used it multiple times in my videos, and to be honest with you, it's my go-to tool now. I don't use my OBD11 anymore, I literally just use that. Definitely won't be buying any cars without checking to see if it's got any hidden faults, and also I want to check the chain stretch. I'm using my Xtool. I absolutely love my Xtool. I don't know how well, because obviously the reflection on the screen, but yeah, there we go, all-wheel drive, block 22. So I am hoping for good things on the D5S. I don't expect it to have all the features of the D7S, but I think it's going to have pretty much everything that the home DIY is going to need, and for the price point, I think it could be bang on. But let's have a look at it. We'll plug it into a car, check it out, and see what it's all about. Upon opening the box, we are greeted by a quick start guide, and underneath that we have the actual device, but we'll come back to that in a second. And then we have the two cables, one cable to connect the device to the car through the OBD2 port, and a charging cable which can also be used to link it to your computer. So now let's actually check out the device. Great looking device, just looks like a little baby version of the D7S. Great quality I expect from Xtool. Doesn't feel cheap and flimsy. Nice solid materials. So far it's looking good. So when turning on the device, you are greeted by the Xtool logo. Once the device is loaded up, you're greeted with this nice bright menu. Great little touchscreen. And you can click into other little bits onto it to go into more depth. So many different functions. As you can see, this device does promise lots and lots, and it's packed with loads and loads of features. Great features, things that will be very helpful, but obviously different cars will have different features depending on how new the vehicle is. Obviously the newer the vehicle, the more of these functions will work. And also great live data you can use. So far it's looking like it's got a lot going for it. So I'm just having a little playthrough with it at the moment, and you can see I'm just going through some here, and they are there. Also on the end of it there is your charging point, and also where you can put a memory card if you need some extra storage. I like that Xtool offer free lifetime updates on this device. That will definitely come in handy. So, well worth having, I think that. So with the D5S now doing all its updates, I must tell you, the quality is just as good as the D7S. But we're going to go and plug it into a car and see what it's about. So I'm just going to speed this up for the purpose of the video. So I have this plugged into an old Mercedes, which I know there is a fault already on the ECU. So I'm hoping the Xtool will pull it up. So we'll go to automatic detection. Go for the year. Yeah, that's exactly the details of the car and the chassis. So now it's connecting to the vehicle to go through all the different modules. So it's come up with these 4 modules at the moment, which are the major ones. So I'm just going to go and check that out. Yep, that is the code we've been getting. So it is finding the right code. So and it also gives you a nice little diagnostic report. So I'm going to clear that. Yep, and it's cleared. It will come back because it is a fault on this vehicle. But it's nice knowing that this can actually do what it says it can do. It can read the codes, and it can clear the codes. As you can see, it offers loads and loads of different manufacturers. So it's working with an old car, it's finding stuff, so now let's go into something a bit newer. A 2015 BMW. As you can see, on newer vehicles, it does pull out a lot more modules that you can go into. So obviously the newer car, the more modules it will have, the more modules the machine will actually find. As you go, there you go, 2 faults on there, so we can go into those, see what they're all about, get our diagnostic report.
which we can then print off, email to ourselves. So I like that function.
So after playing around with the D5S, my verdict is, why not? It's a great little bit of kit. If you don't need anything overcomplicated, it's ideal. It's very straightforward to use, and it does pretty much everything that you're going to want to do without really going into depth like proper garage equipment, but then they're thousands of pounds. It's almost like a light version of the D7S, and I think for the price point, you can't really go wrong. It works on every make and model, and with free updates for life. What more can I say? I think with the updates, it's just going to get better and better. It would have been nice if it had a little camera on the back, but apart from that, I just think it's a really good bit of kit. Furthermore, I can get you a 15% discount, which is valid till the 23rd of April 2025. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one of these, and then you can put that discount code in and get this for a really good price. It could be a great tool for Christmas and a great tool for any time of the year really, but thanks Xtool. This is a great product. It's exactly what I thought it would be like, a light version of the D7S. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and make sure you go and get yours.